Dog racist? Nope, not racist. Now he's racist. Now he's racist. You went on a date, Cole?
It wasn't a date.
I don't know what happened.
Don't worry, I'm not recording. Was she awkward? Was she awkward?
It just suddenly went black.
Stop doing that! And did anything interesting happen?
No.
So you smashed. What did you want to happen?
Smash.
Todd, when's your date?
Fuck you!
Oh my god. Bro, Todd's girlfriend is here. Are you ready to meet her?
How do you use the door?
Hey! Hey Todd, catch this knife. Wait, what the fuck?
I take it the spoon.
No. I'm gonna try to scare Todd with this alligator. That was the stupidest thing I've ever done. The one thing you guys don't know about me is that I'm a musical genius. So I'm gonna prove it to you by making my own acapella. Alright, let's see how good this acapella is. You know what's worse than that shit? Alright Todd, it's been 2 weeks already and you still haven't hit up a chick.
You haven't either.
You shut the fuck up. Now you're about to go in there and hit someone up.
How about
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
No, not hit someone! Oh wait, you gotta get the recycling cans. Tell her you recycle, it's a big turn off. Oh, she's in that class! You know what, I'll hit her up for you. Todd's a bitch! You hungry, Todd?
I am.
You want some bread?
I would love some.
Alright, I got you. How the fuck are we gonna toast this shit? I'm gonna throw this shit downstairs into the toaster. Ready? Fuck, it's wet. Fuck. Hey! Evidence, Todd, flush it down the toilet. You can't let your parents know you have crumbs all over the house. Todd, it's a piece of shit. This man's fucking... Oh!